How to solve shared album invite not showing up on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to fix the issue of missing shared album invites on iPhone Photos application. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings and then scroll all the way to the bottom, and here you're going to click on privacy and security. Over here, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, click on lockdown mode. So you're going to make sure that this mode is turned off. So if it is turned on, you can simply turn it off. And once done, you're going to scroll back, you're going to simply go back and then head over to the top of your settings. And here you'll be able to see your iCloud profile. So you're going to click on your account over here at the top. And then you're going to click on iCloud over here. After that, you're going to click on Photos. And here it says sync this iPhone. You can see it is toggled off, so you can simply toggle it on. So now it would say turning on, and it would ask for an upgrade option. For example, my iPhone is storing 35.18 GB of photos, and I have currently 4.58 GB of iCloud. That means my iCloud cannot be synced. However, if you do have the option to do that, you can simply sync it on. And now comes the most important part. You're gonna toggle this button on that says shared album. Make sure it is toggled on, and once done, you're going to redirect yourself to your photos gallery, and then you could open the shared album. For example, this is the shared album. This is a test shared album that I have created. So you're going to click on these three dots over here, and then you're going to click on shared album details. And here you're going to click on invite. So what basically happens is that most of the people, add the invitation through the person's phone number, but you need to invite from their iCloud account. So you need to type down their iCloud account over here. For example, I'm going to type this account over here. And now once the account turns blue, that means that the iCloud account is legit. And then you can simply click on that iCloud email over here and then click on done, and then the person would be sent an invitation for the shared album, and once they accept it, they'll be able to see this shared album. So that is basically how you can solve shared album invite not showing on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.